Hello, everyone. Welcome to episode 46 of the Building and Public series. Today is going to be an episode quite heavily focused on the coding aspect of things because we're going to be designing this sort of form here. And pretty much what you're going to see today is me going through testing out the different ways to design this form. And pretty much we're going to try and finish today wrapping up the design of this form. Maybe not the full functionality of it, but definitely the design of it. So, yeah, get ready for some use of AI, get ready for some hands-on coding. Who knows? I might have no hair by the time this is over, but we'll see. But yeah, guys, enjoy the episode, and I shall see you in a minute for the voiceover. Cheers, guys. Thank you. Hey there, everyone. Yeah, as explained, welcome to episode 46 of the Building and Public series. Today, what I'm going to showcase you first of all is us basically designing the start of the form. Essentially, what I decided to do with this sort of process is I'm going to design the form in multiple different ways. I'm going to design firstly in the tool that we're using to build the website, which is Elementor. I'm going to see sort of how the form handles and basically what it can and can't do when it comes to like the bespoke side of things. Now, to cut a long story short, with Elementor, basically what it can't do is it can't really have icons in with the form fields. So if you wanted to have like a phone icon or like a avatar icon or like an envelope icon for emails, you can't do that. Another thing that you can't do is, say, for example, if you wanted people to specify a location for like a delivery or for you to get a collection or something like that, you don't have any proper integration. So I can't put like a postcode in, and Elementor knows where to where to point it to or anything. So that's a bit of a issue. Obviously, again, these are just limitations that you have with these sort of CMSs, so to speak. You can see here now, I'm actually looking if it is possible. And then I kind of realized, yeah, with all the effort and stuff, it's not really worth it. You can see there's a plugin for it. And, overall, again, personally, as a developer, this is where Elementor lacks. The whole design aspect and everything like that. Like, don't get me wrong, like the finished version of this um, design is still relatively okay. Like it's designed all right in terms of steps and stuff, but compared to what we're actually designing, what we're actually trying to create out of this, it's not really what we're looking for. And yeah, pretty much what you're going to see now is just me going through adding steps, adding forms, really building that out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to speed this part up of the voice over, and then I will pass you on then to the Grok side of things, where we test the AI part of the coding. Cheers, guys. Thank you. Hello, everyone, and yeah, welcome to the coding aspect of it. Now, I've never tried to code in Grok before, but everyone's been raving about it recently, especially the Grok 3 model. So basically, what I've decided to do with this sort of workload is I'm going to be building out a few different versions of the same form, but in different AI models. So we're going to try Grok 3, we're going to try Claude, I think, because I think Claude is quite well respected in terms of code and stuff like that. And we're going to try ChatGPT and their coding model as well. But yeah, pretty much you can see me here. I'm building out the form for a prompt. I'm explaining how it works and everything like that. But what I've noticed with this version of Grok. Again, my prompts might not be great, but I'm basically I'm finding myself having to like almost scold the AI for not like understanding the design principles and everything properly. So yeah, what you're probably going to see tomorrow is more of the how can I explain this? More of the design elements of it other than probably prompting. Because what I've noticed is that you can tell Grok to do something, but it's not as good, if that makes sense. So yeah, but yeah, pretty much that's just sort of where I'm at the moment with this process. This will probably be the next few episodes, depending on how busy things get. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you tomorrow for episode 47. Thank you.